Having trouble with your microdosing journey? Well, you're not alone. As somebody who has been microdosing on and off for the last 5 years with 3 different psychedelics, I've had varying success. So today we're diving into the 3 biggest issues people face when microdosing, along with how to address them to ensure that you get the absolute most out of your microdosing experience. Issue number 1, the I don't feel it yet issue. Beginners, listen up, because this is the one that most fools newbies, and that is popping your microdose in the morning, waiting in anticipation throughout the day for that scene from Limitless to finally hit, and then wondering why seemingly nothing is happening. See, psychedelics are very tricky and ethereal substances which like to keep you guessing. Often people don't notice anything on their first day or even their first week of microdosing, and it's only after that week or day has passed when you begin to notice that things have been a slight bit different. Why was it that you sparked up that slightly different conversation with your colleague? Why was it that your mind went off on that creative tangent while sitting in traffic rather than slamming your horn at the driver ahead? Why is it that I'm in a happier, more bubbly mood at the dinner table? Oh right, the microdose. This is how it works. Just forget it, go about your day, and then notice the subtle improvements as they start to roll in over time. Issue number 2, focus or mood. So lots of people who microdose are hoping to boost their concentration and then wonder why their general mood has improved but their productivity hasn't, or vice versa. And there's actually a scientific distinction here. See, the 2 most common compounds that people microdose with are LSD, which primarily activates dopamine receptors, and psilocybin, which primarily activates serotonin receptors. Dopamine is heavily involved in motivation, reward, and attention, key areas that are often challenged in individuals with ADHD or ADD, while serotonin regulates mood. Know the difference and pick your potion accordingly. Issue number 3, the why isn't the magic working anymore issue. So this problem occurs after weeks or months of microdosing once a tolerance has built up. Now, this is really common because the human body builds up a tolerance to both LSD and psilocybin really quite rapidly, but this is an issue that can be easily avoided if a proper microdosing protocol is implemented. Moderation and correct scheduling, it's as simple as that. More on this right here. And there we have it, folks, the 3 most common issues that I myself, as well as many other people, have faced when trying out microdosing for the first time. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment below, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more content on all things psychedelic.